You see this YouTube life, it can humble you. You will do thumbnail, record with best camera angle, edit with music and captions, share to 18 WhatsApp groups, beg your cousin in Canada to please subscribe, even bribe your roommates to watch, and still you open your analytics and see estimated revenue to be $0.4 You just sigh. But guess what? One day you'll finally get there. You hit that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. You will even celebrate, maybe with small shawarma or one chilled mug, because yeah, you've made it. You are monetized. But let me now burst your bubble gently. Being monetized doesn't mean you start making money immediately. You might see that email that tells you are now a YouTube partner and be thinking your first alert will drop in the next 24 hours. Meanwhile, you are still stuck at $3.17 after uploading 4 more videos. At that point, the ginger will reduce. You'll start wondering if this YouTube thing is for you. That's why I'm making this video, to talk to you about the reality behind monetization, to explain why subscriber count isn't everything, and how someone with 1,000 loyal subscribers can be making more money than someone with 15,000 subscribers. Yeah, it happens more often than you think. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to understand is that subscribers don't equal revenue. It sounds harsh, but it's the truth. I've seen creators who focus all their energy on growing the sub count, buying fake subscribers, doing sub for sub, begging people that don't even like YouTube to please just click and subscribe. The numbers will rise. Yes, you might even get monetized that way. But those people won't watch your videos, they won't engage, and they definitely won't help your revenue. YouTube is not looking at your subscriber count when it comes to paying you. They are looking at how long people watch your videos, how many of them click on ads, and whether they keep coming back to your channel. And that's it. And the only way to get that kind of loyal, engaged audience is by being authentic and valuable. You can't trick the algorithm. You can't force people to enjoy what you yourself wouldn't sit down and watch all through. What you should be aiming for is a real audience. People who find your content useful, entertaining, or inspiring. People who, when they see your thumbnail, are like, ha, new video don't drop again. Oh, that's what makes the difference. That's what turns viewers into dollars, because those are the people who will watch your video all the way through. They will drop comments, share it with friends, click on the ads without even realizing it. So, how do you attract this kind of people? First, stop trying to be everything to everybody. Decide what your channel is about and who you are really talking to. Are you helping people solve a specific problem? Are you making them laugh? Are you teaching them something? Once you find that angle, lean into it fully. That's how you build connection. Also, improve how you package your content. You don't need to be perfect, but you need to be intentional. The hook at the beginning of your video matters a lot. If the first 10 seconds is boring or confusing, most people will just leave. So grab attention early. Ask a question, make a bold statement, or show something unexpected. Even something as simple as, let me guess, your channel is monetized, but your account balance is empty, can pull people in. Now let's talk about tools, because let's be honest, YouTube is already hard enough. Any tool that helps you get better results with less stress, I beg, use it. One of my go-to tools is TubeBuddy. This one is like having a YouTube consultant in your browser. It helps you find the right keyword, analyze your competition, test your thumbnails, and even suggest video ideas based on what's trending on your niche. Another tool that has been a game changer for me is VidIQ. Similar to TubeBuddy, but with a different insight. It breaks down your channel's health, compares your performance to others, and even tells you the best time to post your videos. When you start uploading consistently and learning from what actually works, these tools help you move from guessing to strategy. When it comes to designing thumbnails, Canva is your best friend. Even if you have zero graphic design skills, Canva makes it easy to create attractive, clickable thumbnails. And trust me, your thumbnail is what convinces people to click your video, not just the title. I've seen great videos buried because the thumbnail looked like a blurry screenshot from 2011. Now, for those of you editing on your phone, don't stress. You don't need a MacBook to blow. Apps like CapCut will give you everything you need. Transitions, sound effects, captions, smooth cuts. It's all about how well you use what you have. Some of my best performing videos were edited on my phone. It's not by tools alone, it's by effort and consistency. And yes, believe it or not, ChatGPT is part of my process too. I use it to brainstorm video titles, generate descriptions, create script outlines, and sometimes even help me figure out how to explain complex topics in simple terms. If you are not using AI to your advantage, then you are working too hard, my friend. Now let's be real for a second. Sometimes the reason your videos aren't performing is not spiritual attack, it's not even village people, it's just poor packaging. You rush the intro, your editing is too long or slow, your audio sounds like you recorded inside generator room. These are fixable things, but you have to be willing to observe and adjust. And this is the reason why I always tell people, don't delete your old videos. Instead, go back and study them. The ones that flopped, why? Was it the topic, the title, the editing, the retention graph? Use it as a classroom. Same thing for the ones that did well. What worked? Double down on that. If you've been watching this far and you are thinking this YouTube thing get as a B, trust me, I feel you. I was once in that same boat, uploading videos every week, barely getting views, always feeling like I was one video away from blowing, but never quite hitting it until I started learning the right way. Not just uploading randomly and hoping it stick, but studying what works, improving little by little, and most importantly, not doing it alone. That's actually why I started a small mentorship group for YouTubers. Nothing serious or fancy, it's just a chill space where I share helpful tips, we review each other's channel, and you get honest feedback without judgment. Every now and then, I even do free channel audits. If you are tired of doing guesswork and you want support that actually helps, the group is open. No payment, no pressure, just real value and mutual growth. If you want in, click the link in the description below. We are all growing together. At the end of the day, remember this, YouTube is not about blowing overnight. It's about showing up, growing slowly but surely, and building a community that rocks with you. If you focus on that, the money will come, the subscribers will come, the brand deals, sponsorship, and all those sweet things. They will all follow real value. So if you've ever felt discouraged because your channel isn't growing as fast as you hope, just know you are not alone and you are not failing. You are just learning, and that's okay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, do me a small favor. Like the video, drop a comment with your channel name or question you have, and hit that subscribe button. We are going to grow this thing together. See you in the next one. Peace out.